To set up Wells Fargo online banking, start by going to the Wells Fargo website and clicking on the Sign Up or Enroll option. You will need to have a Wells Fargo account, such as a checking or savings account, to enroll in online banking. You will be prompted to enter your account information, including your account number or debit card number, and your social security number or tax identification number. This information is used to verify your identity and ensure the security of your account. Once you have entered your account information, you will be asked to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a username and password that are unique and difficult for others to guess. And make sure to write them down and store them in a safe place. After creating your username and password, you will be asked to set up security questions and answers. These questions and answers are used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different device. Next, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of Wells Fargo online banking. Take a few minutes to read through the terms and conditions, and make sure you understand your responsibilities and obligations as a user of online banking. Finally, you will be logged in to your online banking account, where you can view your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and access other online banking services. You can also set up account alerts and notifications to help you stay on top of your account activity and prevent fraud. To get the most out of Wells Fargo online banking, make sure to regularly review your account activity, update your security questions and answers, and monitor your account for any suspicious activity. You can also use the Wells Fargo mobile banking app to access your account on the go. By following these steps, you can easily set up Wells Fargo online banking and start managing your accounts online. Remember to always keep your username and password secure, and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent fraud and stay on top of your finances.